Hello everyone, I'm Hadi from Mastering UE. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this UFO beam in Unreal Engine using material. And this is the mesh. So you can make this mesh in Unreal Engine also. I have made this on to add, go to modeling, and then you have to add a cylinder. Accept. Maybe 10. Okay. Now move it up a little bit, and then we have to do polygroup edit, and I'm going to select this. I have to select this face, and then you can adjust the face size. I think this is something like that, maybe too much. And now I'm going to press on delete to delete this face. Also for this one, maybe make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and also I'm going to now delete this face, then accept. Now we have this cylinder, and then if you browse this asset, it's in the content generated and your name right here. So I'm going to create a new material, UFO beam. Place it right here. Then we can close this one. Okay, we don't have to say this too. Now open this UFO beam. Now we have to do set this to translucent, blend mode, default light to unlight, and two side. Hit apply. So in opacity, you have to search Fresnel, this one. Also, I'm going to select this to this cylinder shape, and then turn off this background. Also this floor. So we have this cylinder shape here. And now I'm going to set this maybe 0.2. And then in exponential, maybe, okay, set this to 30 for now. And in emissive color, we have to add a texture coordinate, and then add a panner. I have to scene this. I have to scene this value. Then append vector, and we have to add a constant 1D. Then multiply this value with a constant 2D vector. No. Constant 3D vector. Set this value to 1 and 1. Now I have to add another multiply. Plug this in emissive color. So that's all I have to do right here. And multiply, I'm going to set this to 5. and then insane value, set this to 0.5. So, and now now I have to control this speed of this banner. So if I set this to 1, here you can see it's going up, so we want to set this to going down. So all you have to do is just set this value to -1, and then in texture coordinate you can control the size of this wave and how many you want. So if I set this to 10, we have this 10 beam together, here you can see. So let's set this to 5 for now. I'm going to apply this one. So here you can see we have this beam. I think I have to do, here you can see in this beam I think I have to higher this value, maybe 0.2. Now we have this good amount of glow in our beam. And also if you want this, if you want to control this line, so you can simply just put 10. Now we have this more beam. If you set this to 1, now we have this one single beam. And also you can control the speed. So if I set this to 5, here you can see. So let's set this to 2, and then on line maybe 10 line. Okay, that's nice. Maybe I think 8. Now if you want this green area effect to this one, so all you have to do, just duplicate this one and then we have to create another material. Okay, so now use this one right here. And then just set this to translucent, unlight, and two side also. Now we have to add a constant 3D node. Constant 3D node, add a multiply, plug this in emissive color. Let's set this to green, maybe 5. And set this opacity to 0.1. Now all you have to do, copy this transform and paste it here. Maybe 0.2. That's nice. Now I have this cool beam effect in Unreal Engine. Also, if you want to avoid this black area, you have to increase this size, maybe 50. Now we don't have that black border.